ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo.
Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world.
Ano ba itong